कितनी बार PYQs करें? एक बार, दो बार, 5 बार, और फिर भी जीटी में या एग्जाम हॉल में लगा कि कुछ मिसिंग है. It's the most frustrating feeling in the world, right? You do what everyone tells you to do. You grind through the PYQs, you memorize the answers, and on the exam day, it's just not enough. We have all been there, and it's because the core of your preparation strategy is built on a lie. The lie is that simply solving PYQs is enough to secure a good rank. It's not, it's a trap. Think about it. When you solve a question and remember its answer, you are learning the solution to the last year's test and not the method of solving this year's test. So, what's the alternative? Studying everything from your bulky main notes? Well, ideally, yes. If you have 2 years to prepare. I did that and it worked for me. But what if you don't have that kind of time? This is where you need to make a critical mindset shift. You need to stop seeing PYQs as individual questions and see them as signposts pointing to something much more important. And that something is the PYT, the previous year topics. What's the difference? A PYQ is just one question. For example, if they ask about teratoma of the ovary, if you just learn about the teratomas and move on, you have fallen into the trap. The PYT is the entire universe around that question. The PYT here in our example is ovarian tumors. If they asked about a teratoma this year, they can very well ask about a dysgerminoma or a Krukenberg tumor next year. The topic is the gold mine and the question is just one speck of gold. Your job isn't to collect the specks of gold, it's to find the gold mine. You have to go into the depth of every topic a PYQ points to. That is how you get into the mindset of the examiner. Now, this process of digging into the PYTs is extremely effective, but it is also very time consuming. Building your own notes around every single topics can take months. If you have time on your hands, I highly recommend you to do so. But if you don't have that kind of time, that is where the sponsor of this video, Limbus Med, comes in, and why I genuinely think that their approach is very smart. They have done the hard work for you. Their platform isn't just a question bank. It provides you with ready-made, concise materials specifically focused on these high yield PYTs. They don't just give you the question, they give you the entire overview around the topic, which is exactly what you need to know. They even include mnemonics to help you retain it all. For someone who is short on time, this can serve as a powerful resource to build your own notes upon, or even as a rapid revision tool to quickly cover all the ultra high yield topics before the exam. I genuinely believe this. If you stop passively solving the PYQs and start actively mastering the PYTs, your chances of breaking into a top rank increases dramatically, because the bulk of your paper will come from these topics. So, for anyone watching, I want you to shift your focus. Stop repeatedly solving the questions just to remember their answers. Start identifying the pattern, understanding why a question is being asked, why these 4 options are being given, and mastering the entire topic around it. If you want me to actually take a few PYQs and then try to dig deeper into their PYTs on how you do it, drop PYT in the comments and I'll make a video. And if you want to speed up your prep, check out Limbus Med. The link is in the description. Stop just solving questions. Start understanding them. That's the difference between a good attempt and a great rank. Take care. I'll see you in the next video.